Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, welcome. My name is Brittany and today I'm going swimming. I'm going to my grandma's house, gonna hang out with some family. It should be really nice. I'm gonna see my niece, play in the pool with her. But I do want to get some makeup on my face. I already have SPF. I use the Elta MD sunscreen. I think it has SPF 50 in it. I'm gonna put my hair back as I do this. I did get new foundation that I wanted to try because I'm a sucker. You know, once you go down the rabbit hole of YouTube, you stumble across videos you didn't even know you'd watch. And I believe Scott Barnes said something about liking a cream foundation. So I was like, Googling cream foundations. And I stumbled upon the Lilah B Marvelous Matte Cream Foundation. I have used Lilah B before, but not the foundation, just like the bronzers. And this is what it comes in. It's so heavy. If like you drop it, it's probably gonna break or break whatever you drop it on. I did swatch it, but I did not use it yet. The packaging is so nice, so cool. I guess it's supposed to kind of turn into a powder. I don't know, it doesn't say anything. An innovative whipped foundation that provides full coverage infused with nutrient-rich ingredients to soften and hydrate skin. Blendable and buildable, it helps improve skin texture by smoothing, concealing, and evening out skin tone. This lightweight creamy formula feels like a liquid but transforms into a powder matte finish, giving you a natural, flawless looking complexion. Perfect for all skin types. I'm going to use the Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb. I've used this before. I like it. Oh shoot, I'm like rubbing all over my eyebrows. I forgot I did them beforehand. And I did that because you're not here for an eyebrow tutorial, okay? That's not happening. If you need to know how to do your eyebrows, you are going to find some great videos on here. This is not one of them. Is that it? Am I ready? Oh, hold on. I forgot to get my makeup mirror. BRB. Got it. Ooh, I kind of messed up an eyebrow. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender. I switch off from what I like, sponges, brushes. The only thing that I will say I'm not gonna like is the sponge gets the white part here all dirty. Okay, looks like some good amount on there. Oh, I didn't tell you the shade. The shade is then Be Natural. They don't have too many. I am like a lot paler than I think I am. I never really match myself to my neck. You can't make me. You can't. I drag it down before I go as pale as my neck. Pick up a little more. I am breaking out slightly. But it covered that nicely. I originally bought it in the shade Medium. Well, the one Nordstrom sent me was already swatched. And it looked dark. This is like, because sometimes I do self-tan, it doesn't look bad, you know, with the rest of my body. If it doesn't oxidize at all, I think it's a good color match. Because Be Light, I don't know, I think it would be too light. It's buildable. Oh, my stomach is growling. I'm gonna go to Target and I have on a two-piece, but I'm not feeling my best right now, so I might go pick up a one-piece. I have not bought a new bathing suit this year either. We need like a few random things. I could just bounce for hours. Can anybody else? This is why I'm late for work. So I'm just sitting there like thinking about stuff, thinking about my day, sucking in all my thoughts, just me, myself. So nice. All right. Yeah, that's really, really light coverage. Like as in it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It is not covering up like fully these spots, but I don't mind concealing. If I was going out and not like in water, I'd probably try to build it up, but I'm just not going to. I am now taking the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in the shade 32. Most likely, I'm not going to go under the water. I'm going to bring like makeup removing wipes just in case I change my mind and because I'm going to put on a little mascara. I don't know, maybe I'll just curl my lashes and I won't put on mascara. Oh, and I have like microblading. This is like really a sore ass subject for me because I don't know if you watched any of my videos from last year. I mentioned I wanted to get microblading, but I was scared. If you're thinking about it, you should be scared because I was not a fan of the shape You can see where I'm covering up. The tattoo goes way out there. It's very light now. I did not go back for the touch-up. I was very depressed for like 2 months, very pissed off at myself. I went to a reputable place. This side's not so bad, but yeah, my shape is never the same, and again, if I don't like it, at least it comes off. With microblading, you're committing. It's not a tattoo, but it is not gonna fade overnight, I'll tell you that. To lightly bronze, I'm using the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Sunkissed. You know, I've had my memory card a long time. I got like the biggest one, but I guess I'm not the best at, my nail polish is chipped. I'm not the best at like deleting stuff. Well, it finally is like, whoa, you don't have enough room. It stopped recording because I suck. And now I am going in with the Sugar Ball Cushion Cheek Color. I think this is a really nice, corally, like you just got some sun color. So it's like perfect for cold beach days. I think it adds just like the perfect flush. And then for highlighter, I'm just taking the Marc Jacobs Spotlight Glow Stick. I don't think I'm going to be putting on mascara. This is the Surratt Lash Curler. I really like this one. It's nice and wide, so if you have smaller eyes, I don't think you would like this. It's like simple and perfect coverage just to hang out by a pool with family. I don't need to touch up anything throughout the day. I think it's just gonna look nice even when I do like sweat or anything. The hair is like beachy waves, and this is actually, I braided my hair last night into 2 Dutch pigtail braids and took it out this morning. I think that's a really easy way to get like waves in your hair. I have absolutely no wave in my hair, and with the length, I'm letting it grow again. I'm just over it. When it's straight and parted down the middle, I feel like I look like an Amish boy. It's terrible. I'm such an awkward, this length is so awkward on me if I don't curl it or straighten it or style it. So throwing the braids in at night and sleeping on them and being able to just like, I'll add some texturizing spray into this, is gonna be like my go-to until I'm like 2 inches longer than this. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Target now and head off to the pool. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and to see more from me, subscribe to my channel. Bye!